Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll explain how hiding transactions works in the Chase app and how to hide or unhide a Chase account since individual transactions themselves can't be hidden. To get started, sign into the Chase mobile app or log into your account through the Chase website. Once you're logged in, tap the profile icon to open the Profile and Settings section. Next, look for an option called Account Settings or something similar. Inside this section, you should see an option that says Show or Hide Accounts. Tap on it to continue. You'll now see a list of your Chase accounts. Select the account you want to hide. If the account is currently visible, you'll see an option to hide it. Tap Hide, and that account's transactions will no longer appear in your main account view. If the account is already hidden and you want to bring it back, return to the same section and tap Show. Once the account is unhidden, its transactions will be visible again in the app. Keep in mind that Chase does not allow you to hide individual transactions. The only option available is hiding or showing entire accounts. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you manage account visibility in the Chase app, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.